Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring natural approaches to weight loss. Here, we focus on evidence-based strategies rather than trendy diets or quick fixes, aiming for sustainable results. Let's begin with nutrition. Prioritizing whole, nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins is essential. These choices not only provide vital nourishment, but also promote lasting satiety. Next, consider incorporating green tea into your routine. With its abundance of antioxidants and metabolism-boosting properties, green tea can significantly aid in your weight loss journey. Swap out sugary beverages for this refreshing alternative and witness the positive changes. Now, let's address gut health. Introducing probiotics can enhance digestion and cultivate a healthy gut microbiome. A well-balanced gut facilitates efficient nutrient absorption and may even assist in appetite regulation. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir to support your digestive health. Moving on to physical activity, establishing a consistent exercise regimen is paramount. Whether it's a morning walk or an evening yoga session, engaging in enjoyable activities not only burns calories but also elevates mood and energy levels. Lastly, prioritize quality sleep. Often overlooked, sufficient rest plays a pivotal role in weight management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to optimize your body's natural processes and hormonal balance. In conclusion, these natural methods for weight loss are grounded in scientific evidence and designed for long-term success. Remember, it's consistency that yields results. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine and witness the transformation towards a healthier, happier you. Thank you for watching.